Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Catnap and Dogday in a split face. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So we're going to get started by splitting the face in half. We're going to move over to the left-hand side just because Dogday's ear is quite big. So we're going to start further on the left-hand side of our page, drawing in a curved line from left to right for the nose. And then we're going to draw in an arch line on the bottom to close that off. Let's move over on both sides. We're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. We're just going to make this oval slightly wider. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now from here, as we move in towards the middle, we're going to draw in an oval right in the center on both of our eyes. Now let's draw in the mouth. So we're going to come underneath on the right hand side, curving this up and over. We're going to do the same thing on the left hand side. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth. On the left hand side, we're going to arch this line around and through towards the middle. We'll replicate that as we step over on the right, blending that back together in the middle. Up above for the tongue, we're going to curve this around and down. And then stepping over on the left, we're going to curve that across. Let's draw in a straight line that comes directly up in the center from the nose. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and down. On the right-hand side, we'll replicate that as well. Let's close off the cheek on the left-hand side. So stepping in slightly, we're going to curve this line around and down. Moving over from our nose here, we're going to curve a small line that comes in towards the eye. And we'll continue to extend this up on the right, connecting that towards that line, arching that around and back in. Now as we move down, let's come up and we're going to again curve this line around and through. Let's close off the chin on the left-hand side, arching this around and through towards the middle. We're going to replicate that as we move across on the right-hand side, blending that back together. Let's draw in a small straight line right in the middle as well on the chin to split the face. Now let's draw on the ears. So on the left-hand side, stepping over, we're going to curve this line around and out. And then starting back on this line, again, we're going to curve this around and down towards the cheek. Let's move in towards the middle. We're going to replicate that shape. Now on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw on the eyebrow, curving this up and back down. Let's draw it on the right ear now. So we're going to curve this up, down, and out. Stepping up again. Curving this up, down, and over. And then we're just going to connect this together, starting back on this line, arching this all the way around and through towards the cheek. Let's draw in the pendants in the middle. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines joining at a point in the center. Let's draw in a nice big circle. On the top here, we're going to curve this around and out. Now moving around this, on the top, we're going to curve this line out. On a diagonal on both sides, we're going to replicate that pattern. Again, moving out on a diagonal, curving that line across. Now from here, curving that over and down. And then again, one more time, curving this around and through towards the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Catnap and Dogday. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.